So it's that time of the year again, the time of Holi, time of colors. If you have a camera or a good phone, don't miss out the fabulous pictures from the Festival of Colors. You just have to take a few basic precautions. There are these ready-built covers available for the phones as well as for cameras that cost anything from 150 rupees to 500 rupees. Use them. Ensure that the sound for your focus is kept on. Ensure that you're using a wide-angle lens. Ensure that the image is seen on the back of your camera. Go ahead and take pictures. The more pictures you will take, the chance of getting better pictures are that much more. Because a lot of time you will not be able to see what you're taking and you may not be able to ensure that you are in focus. So keep an eye on, keep an ear on for the sound of the focus being captured by the camera and take the photograph. Go ahead, enjoy the colors, enjoy the season. Spring besides colors, we are lucky to be in India where life is so colorful. Go ahead, enjoy yourself.